Transform your real estate growth with proven marketing science. I'm Mohamed Assad, over 6 years crafting end-to-end marketing strategies for real estate in Egypt and abroad. If you're facing low inquiries or long sales cycles, here's a balanced, data-driven framework beyond just digital ads. Market segmentation and positioning. Analyze 3 core buyer personas: investors, end users, developers. Position your projects on value or lifestyle to command a 5 to 10% premium brand authority and PR. Secure 2 feature articles month in real estate journals. Each can drive 1,500 plus qualified visits. Host quarterly media tours. Earn an average of 4 local TV radio spots per session. Offline lead generation. Sponsor 3 industry events per year. Generate 100 plus networking leads per event. Implement referral incentives. Existing clients refer 15% of new purchases with a 30% higher close rate. Strategic partnerships. Align with 5 plus mortgage brokers and relocation services to bundle offers. Co-brand local showroom displays. Increase foot traffic by 20%. Integrated digital touchpoints. Use SMS blast for 2,000 opted-in prospects. Achieve 8% click-to-site rates. Deploy chatbots for 24/7 inquiries. Reduce response time by 80% and boost lead capture by 25%. Performance measurement and optimization. Track 7 KPIs: cost per lead, lead-to-site visit ratio, qualified lead percent, sales cycle length, ROI per channel, customer lifetime value, and referral rate. Review bi-weekly to reallocate 10-20% of the budget toward top-performing tactics. Implement this holistic approach to cut your overall marketing cost by up to 25% while increasing qualified leads by 50%. Ready for a custom audit? Scan the QR code or click now to schedule your 30-minute strategy session. Mohamed Assad, Marketing Strategist.